In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite and work with guests in ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and head to your account controls. In the upper area of the interface, click your profile to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where you manage your workspace, including the people who have access. Inside Settings, look for the People section. This page gives you a clear view of everyone in your workspace, including members and guests. If you need to quickly find someone, use the search bar to filter by name or role. This is especially handy when you want to check whether a collaborator is already in your workspace as a guest before sending a new invite. When you're ready to add someone new, select Invite People. A window will appear asking for details. Choose the option to invite by email, then enter the email address of the person you want to bring in. Double check spelling here to avoid bounce backs or sending an invite to the wrong contact. Next, decide the appropriate level of access. If this person is an external collaborator who only needs access to specific items, choose to add them as a guest. Guests are ideal for clients, contractors, or stakeholders who don't need full workspace access. If, however, the person is part of your core team and needs broader permissions, you can invite them as a member. Take a moment to consider what they need to see and do. Picking the right role up front keeps your workspace secure and organized. Once you've set the role, click Send Invite. The recipient will get an email with instructions to join. After they accept, you can share the exact folders, lists, or tasks they need. For guests, keep access scope to only what's relevant. You can adjust permissions to let them comment, attach files, or update tasks where appropriate, while keeping sensitive areas restricted. To keep your workspace tidy over time, use the search and filters in the People section to review guests periodically. Remove access for anyone who no longer needs it, and update permissions as projects evolve. If you need a snapshot of who has access, use the export option from this page. Exporting a list can help with audits, handoffs, or compliance reviews, giving you a clear record of members and guests. That's it. You've opened settings, navigated to people, found existing guests, invited new collaborators by email, assigned the right role, sent the invite, and learned how to export your people list for oversight.